My name is Cairo, and this is my little sister, Havana. And today we're going to be drawing this cute, adorable, beautiful Mother Nature. So, let's get started! The first thing we're going to draw is her eyes. So, right here, kind of above the middle of our picture, we're going to draw 2 circles. Like that. Space them up a little. Like that. Good. Now inside those circles, we're going to draw a circle and a circle at the bottom. And on the same side, like that. And now we can shade that in. And if we're going too fast for you, it's okay if you can pause the video. Next, let's draw a cute little smile. Like that. Now we're going to start right here. Just going to curve her head up like that. And curve it up just a little above her eye. Put it on the same side. And if you need to tilt your paper, that's okay. Like that. Good. Oh, and she's nice and beautiful, so we can't forget her eyelashes. For her eyelashes, just follow down the line and bring it down like that. 2 little eyelashes, and on the other side. Ta-da! Now, up here, right about here, let's draw a circle. Like that. This is going to be for a flower headband. And then, just draw a bunch of like half oval petals. Great. Now let's do smaller ones. Like that. And don't forget the other side. Now to connect all these flowers together, let's draw a nice vine in the middle. So you're going to start at this petal and bring it down to that one. And underneath. So and then connect it and bring it down. And on the other side. And that's her flower headband. Now you're going to take your line right here and you're going to shape it over these flowers. You're going to draw her head on the top. Good. Next we're going to draw a little bird's nest in her hair. She likes helping animals. So we're going to start kind of at the top of her head with just a loop. Like that. Little rainbow. Next, let's take it, and we're just going to kind of make it in a weird shape like this. Bring it all the way down. Good. Now let's draw a triangle coming out of that loop, but with no line down the middle. And just a little loop to connect for its beak. Now, let's start here and let's bring a little belly like that. And from where you made that little belly, connect the line down for its tail. Good. Now let's just add a cute little eye. So draw oval. A circle inside. And shade that in. Like that. Now let's draw its nest. So from where you have that tail line, just bring in like that. And it's okay if you go over the body a little, because nests go over the body a little. Good. Now take it from where you did that and just draw a little kind of a circle line that goes like in under the tail, because their tail is going over. Now just draw a bunch of X's inside, all over the place, to make it look like sticks. And it's okay if you go out of the line, because that just makes it look more realistic and natural. Good, yours is looking awesome. Now let's draw a nice, graceful body. So we're going to start here just kind of outside her mouth. And we're just going to go down and out, like that. Just a tiny bit. And on the same side, we just go down and out, like that. And then connect it with kind of a squiggly line, like that. Good. Now let's add some detail on her dress. So right here in the middle, I'm going to just draw a triangle for your little thing right here. And then kind of right here, draw a triangle like that. And another one underneath. Now let's draw a bunch of flowers on her dress. Right here, I'm just going to draw a little small one. Here I'm just going to do a big one. So you can do any shape and size you want. You can do all small flowers, all big flowers, all medium flowers. It doesn't really matter. So you can make your flowers all different sizes or the same. Like that. Do that? Good. Now let's draw some arms. So for this arm, we're going to start at her dress. Just going to bring gracefully down like that. And then right here, just going to do that again like that. And then just going to bring a line down like that. Perfect. Now draw a little loop for her hand. Good. Now on the same side, we're going to do that, but kind of make it look like she's reaching out to grab a butterfly on her hand. So we're going to start right here this time, and right here, and then we're going to just go out like that. And then up and a line down for her long sleeve. Good. Now let's draw a butterfly. So right here, we're going to draw a little head and some antennas. Now let's draw a little body for it. So we're just going to draw a long little body like that. Now let's draw some big, beautiful wings. So we're going to start at its head. I'm going to draw a wing like that. Bring it in. And then just bring the wing out like that. Nice, beautiful wings. And then to make it look more 3D, let's take right here on the top wing and make it like that. And some little legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now let's draw her hand with the butterfly on it. So we're just going to take it and we're just going to do that and that to make it look like it just started to land on her hand. Good. Now let's add some nice long hair. So we're going to start right here just above the flower headband and just bring out beautiful long hair like that. Coming in at about her hair. That on the other side too. And now to make it look like she's the mother of nature, let's make a nice little cape out of leaves. So we're going to start right here on her hair. We're just going to bring something about that flows like that. And we're just going to bring it in like that. So we can make it go up here to make it look like it's behind her. And then to make it look like it's curving up, let's go right here and down. Make it look like it's behind her. Now let's make it look like her cape is out of leaves. So you're just going to draw a bunch of lines that go like that. Continue till you reach the bottom. Like that. Oh, and don't forget the other side. Just draw a line like that to make it look like the leaf is going behind her. And we're done. That's our beautiful Mother Nature. I hope you liked this video. Goodbye!